Falling behind on your mortgage can feel terrifying. Every missed payment adds pressure. The calls start and notices show up. At some point, the question becomes simple. Can anything still be done to protect your home? In many situations, yes. I'm Kim Clenney. My law partner, Debora Palmer, and I have helped Montgomery residents for over 25 years understand their options when debt starts to feel overwhelming. In this video, I want to explain how Chapter 13 bankruptcy may stop foreclosure and what you need to know when your home is on the line. Foreclosure usually begins after mortgage payments have been missed. Once the process starts, many homeowners assume they're out of options. They think the lender has taken over and there is nothing left to do. That is not always true. Chapter 13 may stop the foreclosure process and give you a way to repay the amount you're behind through a court-approved plan. Instead of being pushed to come up with a large lump sum all at once, you may be able to catch up over a period of years while continuing your regular mortgage payments. For many homeowners, that changes everything. What felt impossible may start to feel manageable. Now, this does not mean the mortgage goes away. Chapter 13 is not debt erasure for your home loan. What it does is create a legal structure for repayment when you have fallen behind and need to recover. This option can be especially helpful for someone who has steady income now but needs a practical way to deal with missed payments. A lot of people wait too long to speak with an attorney. Some people feel embarrassed. Others hope the situation will improve on its own. Meanwhile, the pressure keeps building and the lender keeps moving forward. Delaying can cost you options. Getting answers early gives you a better chance to make an informed decision. And if your situation feels serious, there may still be room to act. Waiting and hoping usually makes the problem harder to fix. Chapter 13 works through a repayment plan that is based on your financial situation. In many cases, the plan lasts 3 to 5 years. During that time, payments are made towards certain debts in a structured way approved by the court. When someone is behind on mortgage, the past due balance is often a major part of that plan. This is where many people feel relief. Instead of trying to solve everything at once, they move into a process with a clear framework. There is a way to start dealing with the problem. Chapter 13 does come with responsibilities. You generally need enough income to support the plan, and you need to stay current on your ongoing mortgage payments after filing. It is a serious commitment, but it can often offer meaningful protection for people who have the ability to follow through. It may also help with more than one financial problem at a time. A homeowner may be facing foreclosure while also trying to manage car payments, credit card debt, medical bills, or tax debt. Chapter 13 can bring those issues into one organized process instead of leaving you to deal with each one separately. That is part of why it can be such a valuable tool. It gives people a chance to stabilize their finances with a plan built around what they can realistically afford. People sometimes wonder whether filing bankruptcy means they have failed. It does not. Many people who end up facing foreclosure were doing their best and then got hit with something they could not fully control, like a job loss, reduced income, medical expenses, or divorce. Looking at your legal options is not giving up. It means you're taking the situation seriously and trying to protect what matters. When Chapter 13 works well, it can replace panic with a plan that gives a homeowner the chance to move forward with more stability. Of course, no two situations are exactly alike. The amount you owe, your income, your other debts, and the stage of the foreclosure process all matter. General information can help you understand the basics, but your next step should be based on your actual circumstances. For over 25 years, my law partner, Debora Palmer, and I have helped Montgomery residents. We offer a free Chapter 13 bankruptcy consultation where you can get answers about your options, guidance on whether Chapter 13 makes sense, and peace of mind about what to do next. When your home is at risk, getting accurate information matters. Click the link in the description of this video to book your free Chapter 13 bankruptcy consultation.